Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Traffic, more traffic, and even more traffic. Traffic is the one resource that no marketer can ever afford to be without. It is the lifeblood of our businesses, and without it, all of us are doomed to failure. Getting traffic to the links you're promoting remains the #1 most important task for all marketers, but hardly anyone knows how to do it effectively. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and along with my launch team of Ryan Higgins and Paul Elphick, we know a thing or two about driving traffic. Since I started in online marketing 5 years ago, I quickly realized that getting large numbers of eyeballs on all of my offers was the key to my long-term success. So I've developed a passion for finding new traffic sources and then sharing them with my students. I've released about 20 traffic products at this stage, but today I'm going to do something that I've never done before. Today I'm going to let you place any URL of your choice on the rotators of all 7 of our best ever performing traffic rotators. Welcome to Super7Traffic. You heard correctly. You can place any URL of your choice on 7 different traffic rotators, each one of them giving you daily traffic every single day from a completely different traffic source, including one brand new rotator created especially for this launch, Super7Traffic. The traffic for the new rotator comes from a brand new, unique traffic source that I only discovered myself a couple of weeks ago, and it's amazing. Scroll down the sales page and you will see the full list of traffic products included in this package, but it includes all-time bestsellers like Place Your Link 3.0, Traffic Times 3.0, and Big 10 Traffic. As with all my traffic rotators, once this traffic starts, it never stops. But because this unique traffic package is so amazing, I can only offer this huge bundle at the low launch price for a strictly limited time. So here is what you need to do. Step 1. Pick up your copy of Super 7 Traffic today before the price goes up, and it will go up. Step 2, choose the URL you want to promote and submit it. And step 3, well, there is no step 3, that's it, you're done. Sit back and enjoy the daily traffic every single day from 7 different traffic sources. But act fast. The new Super 7 Traffic Rotator is currently lying empty, and it carries traffic from a brand new red hot source. If you want to benefit from this new traffic source quickly, you need to get your link on the new rotator before anyone else does. So as soon as someone sends you this sales page, you need to stop what you're doing and get your link submitted. Literally every second you delay could be costing you hits, sales and commissions. And remember, as soon as the launch period ends, the price will go up. I've never offered a traffic product this good before, and I doubt that I ever will again. So 10 times your traffic results today with the amazing value of Super 7 Traffic. Act fast, submit your link, and myself and the launch team will see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.